Let's talk about something many students are thinking about today. How can we use AI to actually learn instead of simply finishing assignments faster? AI can help write essays, solve problems, generate summaries, and answer questions in seconds. But there is an important difference between using AI to do your work for you, using AI to help you do your work better. The second approach is where real learning happens. AI fluency isn't about finding shortcuts. It's about using AI as a partner that helps you develop knowledge, critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and confidence. As students, our goal should not be to avoid learning. Our goal should be to learn more effectively. Why learning still matters. Imagine you're sitting in a competitive examination, a university viva, a job interview, a client presentation, your first professional role. In these situations, AI may not be available to provide answers instantly. You'll need to explain your thinking, solve problems independently, make decisions, defend your ideas. If AI has been doing all the thinking for you, these situations become difficult. Even worse, if AI gives incorrect advice and you haven't developed the ability to evaluate it, you may not recognize the mistake. That's why students need to focus on building their own thinking skills while using AI. The goal isn't borrowed intelligence. The goal is stronger human intelligence supported by AI. Using delegation to support learning. Let's start with the first competency, delegation. Remember, delegation means deciding. What should I do? What should AI do? What should we do together? When learning, this question becomes especially important. Before opening an AI tool, ask yourself, what am I actually trying to learn? For example, am I trying to improve writing? Understand a scientific concept? Prepare for an examination? Practice problem solving? Strengthen analytical thinking? This is called problem awareness. Your learning objective should always come first. Once you've identified the goal, you can delegate appropriately. Example: suppose you're learning argumentative writing. A poor delegation decision would be, AI, write my argument for me. A better delegation decision would be, AI, challenge my argument and provide counterpoints so I can strengthen my own thinking. In this approach, AI supports learning. You still do the intellectual work. Your skills improve. That's effective learning-focused delegation. Platform awareness for students. Not all AI systems are designed for the same purpose. Some AI tools focus on productivity, content generation, coding, research, tutoring, education. Whenever possible, choose tools that are designed to support learning rather than simply generating answers. A learning-focused AI experience often encourages exploration, reflection, questions, feedback, rather than immediate solutions. Using description to create better learning experiences. The second competency is description. Description is how we communicate with AI. Many AI systems naturally try to be helpful by giving direct answers. While that might be convenient, it's not always the best way to learn. Sometimes the answer is exactly what prevents learning from happening. Instead, we should describe how we want AI to help us learn. Ask AI to behave like a tutor. Instead of saying, explain photosynthesis, try, I'm a first-year biology student learning photosynthesis. Rather than explaining it directly, ask me questions that help me work through the concept myself. Now AI becomes a tutor rather than an answer generator. Ask AI for guidance instead of solutions. Suppose you're solving a mathematical problem. Instead of asking, solve this equation, try, show me the first step and give me a hint about what to do next. Let me solve the remaining steps. This keeps you actively engaged in learning. Ask AI to deepen your thinking. If you've written an essay, you might ask, I've completed my analysis. Instead of rewriting it, ask me questions that help strengthen my argument. This encourages critical thinking and self-reflection. Examples of learning-focused prompts. Here are some useful learning-oriented approaches. Ask for hints. Give me clues, not answers. Ask for practice questions. Create 5 practice questions similar to this problem. Ask for alternative explanations. Explain this concept using a sports example. Ask for feedback. Review my work and identify areas I can improve. Ask AI to be the student. One highly effective technique is teaching AI. For example, act like a student who doesn't understand this topic. Ask me questions about it. Teaching others is one of the most powerful ways to reinforce learning. Using discernment to measure real learning. The third competency is discernment. When using AI for learning, discernment is not just about checking whether AI is correct. It is also about evaluating whether the interaction is actually helping you learn. Ask yourself, can I explain this concept myself? Can I solve a similar problem without AI? Do I understand why the answer works? Could I teach this to someone else? If the answer is yes, learning is happening. If the answer is no, you may simply be following along without developing understanding. Learning sometimes feels difficult. A common mistake is assuming that learning should always feel easy. In reality, struggle is often part of learning. When you're confused, frustrated, or working through a difficult concept, your brain is actively building new connections. AI should help you navigate that challenge, not remove it entirely. The goal is support, not substitution. Always verify important information. Students should remember that AI can make mistakes. Before relying on information for assignments, projects, research papers, presentations, verify important facts using trusted sources such as textbooks, academic journals, faculty guidance, university resources, credible websites. AI should complement learning, not replace source validation. Practicing diligence as a student. The fourth competency is diligence. Diligence ensures AI is used ethically, responsibly, and with integrity. Creation diligence. Use AI according to your institution's guidelines. Understand what is permitted, what is restricted, what information can be shared. Different schools and universities may have different policies regarding AI. Transparency diligence. Be honest about how you use AI. If your institution requires disclosure, provide it. Even when disclosure isn't mandatory, maintaining records of how AI assisted your work is a valuable professional habit. Transparency builds trust. Deployment diligence. Before submitting any work, ask yourself, can I explain every part of this assignment? Do I understand the ideas presented? Can I defend the conclusions? Have I verified important information? If the answer is no, then more learning may be needed before submission. Remember, AI may help create the work, but you remain responsible for understanding it. Why this matters for your future. Using AI responsibly today helps prepare you for future success. Students who learn effectively with AI develop white heavy checkmark stronger critical thinking, white heavy checkmark better problem-solving skills, white heavy checkmark greater confidence, white heavy checkmark improved communication ability, white heavy checkmark better decision-making, white heavy checkmark stronger professional readiness. In job interviews, workplaces, and leadership roles, these skills matter far more than simply knowing how to generate content with AI. Conclusion. Let's recap. To use AI as a learning partner. Delegate wisely. Use AI to support thinking, not replace it. Describe clearly. Ask AI to tutor, coach, question, and guide rather than simply provide answers. Apply discernment. Measure whether genuine learning is happening. Practice diligence. Use AI responsibly, transparently, and ethically. Remember, the goal isn't just to complete assignments. The goal is to become someone who can think, learn, adapt, and solve problems independently. In a world where everyone has access to AI, your greatest advantage won't be AI itself. Your greatest advantage will be your ability to think critically, learn continuously, and work effectively with AI while staying firmly in control of your own learning journey. Thank you and happy learning!